How many of you would like to turn $1,000 into $10,000? Well, you can do that with the stock market. Today, I will persuade you in investing your money into the stock market. Kevin Viant wrote in an article published June 2020, stocks are securities that represent an ownership share in a company. For companies, issuing stock is a way to raise money to grow and invest in their business. For investors, stocks are a way to grow their money and outpace inflation over time. First, I will convince you in investing in stocks because you're able to grow your money. Then I will urge you to invest in stocks because over the last 100 years, the stock market has gone up. Lastly, I will change your mindset to invest in stocks because inflation happens over time. You should invest in the stock market because your money will grow over time. Dennis Hartman published in an article in February 2017 stating, investing in many different stocks will help build your wealth by leveraging growth in different sectors of the economy, resulting in a profit even if some of your individual stocks lose value. If you don't put all your eggs in one basket with your money, the risk of you losing all your money is really low because you can still have other stocks to rely on. If you only have your money in one stock and that stock crashes, you could potentially lose all of your money because of a bad decision on a stock. Investing in the stock market is a good long-term investment. If you choose to only put $100 in a stock, over time that stock can go up to $1,000. You should not put money into a stock that you need to double right away because stocks are very fluctuated. If you want fast money in the stock market, then day trading might be for you. Now that I've convinced you to invest your money into the stock market because it will grow over time, let me urge you to invest in stocks because over the last 100 years, the stock market has gone up. The stock market goes up and down all the time, but over the last few years, it has actually made an increase. Even if the stock market has gone down, it's not necessarily a bad thing because you can purchase new stocks at a lower price. James Royal wrote in an article May 2020, a down market should cause you to celebrate. You can buy stocks at attractive valuations and anticipate higher future returns. Within the stock market, most successful stocks, when they go down, they usually come back up and even higher than they were before. Now that I've urged you to invest into the stock market because over the last 100 years it has only gone up, let me change your mindset to believe in investing in stocks because inflation happens over time. Investing in the stock market is a good way to save your money because when inflation happens, your cash that's sitting in a box somewhere will lose its value. Nick Ludis wrote in an article published April 2020, investing in money today and earning interest on it that outperforms the rate of inflation will ensure that your money today continues to be worth more than the same amount of money in the future. If your money is sitting in a box hidden in a closet, that money you put in there that time won't be worth as much because of inflation. When you invest your money into the stock market, it is guaranteed to grow over time. The longer, the better, rather than decrease in value. It also helps the economy when you invest your money into the stock market because it helps keep your money circulating in the economy instead of just sitting in a savings account somewhere. The opposing side would claim that the stock market is too risky. People have said how risky stocks can be. But Dennis Hartman published in an article in February 2017 stating, if you manage the risk, you can take advantage of the stock market to secure your financial position and earn money. The stock market can be risky if you do not do extensive research on your stocks. Before you invest in any stock, make sure you look at the past history of the stock and any articles on it to see where the company could be going in the future. Today, I convinced you to invest in stocks because you're able to grow your money. Then I urge you to invest in the stocks because over the last 100 years, the stock market has only gone up. Lastly, I changed your mindset to invest in stocks because inflation happens over time. If any of you have money just sitting in a savings account, remember that over time you can turn $1,000 into $10,000 if you do your research and invest your money into the right stock.